Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, March 18th. The essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that we're gonna go through today is titled When Cut in Two. After the reading, we're gonna do a short meditative reflection around it, as always. William Blake says, "The cut worm forgives the plow." The cut worm forgives the plow. The worm is one of the only creatures that grows from being cut. Mysteriously, if you cut a worm in two, each cut half becomes whole, and you have two worms. What is it in how the worm lives that allows it to grow from its pain? And how might we translate that to being human? Well, without looking too far, the worm is completely in touch with the earth. In fact, it eats earth. It lives in soil, inside and out. Perhaps the secret to growing from our wounds is to live close to the earth, to live with our hearts and minds and bellies always in touch, both inside and out, in touch with what is larger than we are. Perhaps when cut in two, it is a life of humility, of risking to be at one with the soil of our experience that allows us to heal into something entirely new. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle in your body, in your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath, completely natural. Simply notice how your body is breathing, in and out, in and out. Find a sense of spaciousness, freedom in your breathing, allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now, with a lot of kindness, reflect on a place inside where you feel cut in two. Inhale deeply and bring the universal air to this raw and tender place. Let the elements infuse your wound with the atoms of a new beginning. As you do this, I'll read a poem from Dana Folks for you. I breathe in all that is, awareness expanding to take everything in, as if my heart beats the world into being. From the unnamed vastness beneath the mind, I breathe my way into wholeness and healing. Inhalation, exhalation. Each breath a yes, and the letting go. A journey and the coming home. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Perhaps when you're feeling cut in two, it is an opportunity to heal into something entirely new. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.